Is hard water bad for a tankless water heater? As more Pine Brook homeowners upgrade to tankless systems, this is one of the most common questions we hear at Above and Beyond Plumbing. The simple answer is yes. Hard water contains calcium and magnesium that turn into limescale when heated. Inside a tankless water heater, this buildup coats the heat exchanger and internal components, which restricts flow, lowers efficiency, and forces the system to work harder. Over time, this leads to temperature fluctuations, longer wait times for hot water, reduced performance, and more frequent repairs. Because hard water is common in Pine Brook tankless systems, here need more consistent maintenance to stay reliable. Mineral scale forms quickly inside the narrow passages of a tankless heater. If you notice inconsistent temperatures, weak hot water pressure, clicking noises, delayed heating, or recurring error codes, these are early signs of scale buildup. Annual descaling is essential, and many homeowners install a water softener to prevent future damage and extend the lifespan of the system. If your tankless water heater is showing signs of scale buildup or reduced performance, call Above and Beyond Plumbing for tankless water heater descaling maintenance or repair. We help Pine Brook homeowners protect their systems and avoid costly breakdowns.